Hello, so today we're going to be looking a little bit at the Poseidon switches, which are designed by Moyu Studio and manufactured by JWK. So these have a nylon top and bottom housing, a 58 gram triple spring, and a long pole POM stem. My initial feelings about these switches is that they would be kind of a scratchy mess, similar to the Aura lights I've had, but I'm glad to say that they're slightly smoother. This is a noticeable scratch, but nowhere near close to cream stems and even in terms of feel, I can barely notice it. Personally, I think that these switches are a little too heavy for my taste, even being 58 gram, but the triple spring section makes it kind of taxing to use on a daily basis, since they feel heavier than the normal 63.5 slow springs I normally use. In terms of sound, they're pretty clacky, and have an interesting sound profile to them. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, have a good one.